Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bestsellers Market, your premier destination for discovering the top-rated products on Amazon. My name is, and I am thrilled to be your host today. In today's session, we have something truly special lined up for you. We will be counting down the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. These are the must-have items that thousands of satisfied customers have rated and reviewed, ensuring you get only the best for your needs. Without further ado, let's dive right in and see which products made it to the top of the list. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss a single moment of this exciting countdown. Let's get started. All right, folks, buckle up because we're diving into our number 5 pick for the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. Introducing the Super Lube 21030 Synthetic Multi-Purpose Grease, 3 ounces. Now, why is this little tube making waves in the market? Let's find out. First off, this isn't just any grease. This is a patented synthetic NLGI grade 2 heavy-duty multi-purpose lubricant. What does that mean for you? It means versatility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of greases. Whether you're greasing the gears of a bicycle or maintaining heavy machinery, this lubricant is up to the task. But wait, there's more. This grease is dielectric. Yes, you heard that right. It can insulate and protect against electrical conductivity, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Need something safe around food? No problem. This product is food grade and clean, boasting an NSF rating H1. That means it's safe for incidental food contact, which is a huge plus in kitchens and food processing environments. And here's the kicker. This grease will not drip, run, or evaporate. Imagine applying a lubricant that stays put, doesn't make a mess, and lasts longer. That's less downtime and more efficiency for you. Super Lube 21030 Synthetic Multi-Purpose Grease is engineered to deliver outstanding performance in demanding environments. Whether you're dealing with high temperatures, heavy loads, or moisture, this grease has got you covered. So, if you're looking for a lubricant that combines advanced synthetic formulation with a high level of safety and reliability, look no further. The Super Lube 21030 is your ultimate solution. It's not just grease, it's a game changer. And there you have it, number 5 on our list, but certainly a number 1 in its category. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown of the best fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. Coming in at number 4 on our top 5 best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon, we have a name that's synonymous with reliability. WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner Spray, 11 ounces. Now, why does this product stand out in a sea of cleaners? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about its precision. The WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner is engineered to remove oil, dirt, flux residue, and condensation from the most sensitive electrical equipment. Imagine your delicate circuit boards, controls, and switches needing a thorough yet gentle cleaning. This cleaner does it with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that nothing is left behind. The magic doesn't stop there. This formula is quick drying and residue-free, so it won't leave any unwanted traces. Safe on metal, plastic, and rubber, though always remember to test on plastic first to avoid any mishaps. This cleaner is versatile. Avoid adhesives, device screens, and keyboards, and you're good to go. What sets this cleaner apart is its industrial strength quality. The WD-40 Specialist line is designed to tackle tough jobs with ease, offering easy solutions for specific problems. Whether you're dealing with printed circuit boards, precision instruments, or electric panels, this cleaner blasts away contaminants with efficiency and precision. Professionals around the world trust WD-40 Specialists to perform under the most extreme conditions. When you're in the thick of a challenging task, you need a product that won't let you down. WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner is that product. So if you need a cleaner that combines high performance with unparalleled reliability, look no further. WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. Spray is your go-to solution for maintaining and protecting your sensitive electrical equipment. That's number 4 on our countdown, folks. Stay tuned as we move closer to unveiling the top product in the best-selling fluids and maintenance category on Amazon. Landing at the impressive number 3 spot in our countdown of the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon is a powerhouse in a bottle. Chevron Techron Concentrate plus Fuel System Cleaner, 12 ounces, pack of one. Why is this product a must-have for your vehicle? Let's dive into the details. Chevron Techron Concentrate. Plus isn't just any fuel system cleaner, it's a comprehensive solution that cleans, restores, and protects your entire fuel system. We're talking fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, all getting a thorough cleanse. Imagine the transformation, your engine running smoother, cleaner, and more efficiently. What does it restore, you ask? Everything. Lost power, diminished acceleration, subpar fuel economy, even the accuracy of your fuel gauge sensor. This cleaner brings it all back like a breath of fresh air for your engine. And it doesn't stop there. It reduces rough idle, engine surge, hesitation, and spark plug fouling, ensuring that your ride is as smooth as silk. Let's talk improvements. Cold start performance, enhanced. Fuel stability, improved for up to 1 year. Picture those chilly mornings where your engine roars to life without a hitch. That's the Chevron Techron magic at work. This cleaner isn't just for cars and trucks. Use it every 3,000 miles or at your next oil change. But it doesn't end there. Got motorcycles, dirt bikes, boats, ATVs, RVs, watercraft, or lawn care equipment? Techron has you covered. Just use as needed and watch your engines thrive. So, if you're looking to unleash the full potential of your fuel system, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is your go-to solution. It's not just a cleaner, it's a game changer for your engine's health and performance. That's number 3 in our top 5 countdown. Stay tuned as we inch closer to revealing the top product in the best-selling fluids and maintenance category on Amazon. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your maintenance game running smoothly. Now, let's unveil our number 2 pick in the top 5 best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. We're talking about a true champion in the realm of engine care, the Gumout 800002231 Carb Choke and Parts Cleaner, 14 ounces. This is more than just a cleaner. It's a game changer for your engine's performance. Let's dive into the details. Imagine this, your engine's struggling with hard starting, rough idling, stalling, and high exhaust emissions. These are the bane of any driver's existence. But with Gumout's Carb and Choke Cleaner, you can kiss those problems goodbye. This powerful formula tackles the root of these issues by swiftly removing deposits from both the inside and outside of your carburetor. The result? Enhanced engine performance and improved fuel economy. Gumout isn't just about surface-level cleaning. This cleaner dives deep, eliminating gum, varnish, and dirt that clog carburetors and choke valves. Picture your engine free from these contaminants, running smoother and more efficiently than ever before. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This cleaner is perfect for all unpainted metal parts, blasting away grime, oil, and other stubborn contaminants. And with its quick-drying formula, you're back in action faster, with minimal downtime. The Gumout Carb and Choke Cleaner is the secret weapon every mechanic and DIY enthusiast needs in their arsenal. It's designed for those who demand the best for their engines, those who understand that optimal performance comes from meticulous care. So, if you're looking to transform your engine's performance, to eliminate those pesky starts and stalls, and to keep your metal parts gleaming and clean, look no further. Gumout 800002231 Carb, Choke, and Parts Cleaner is your ultimate solution. That's our number 2 pick. Stay tuned as we edge closer to revealing the top product in the best-selling fluids and maintenance category on Amazon. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 best-selling fluids and maintenance product on Amazon. This top contender has earned its place at the pinnacle of performance and reliability. The WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease Spray with Smart Straw Sprays 2 ways, 10 ounces. Why has this product taken the top spot? Let's explore. First off, let's talk about versatility. The WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease is ideal for metal-to-metal applications requiring heavy-duty lubrication. Think auto hinges, gears, sprockets, latches, door tracks, pulleys, cables, the list goes on. This grease ensures smooth operation and long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion, making it indispensable for any toolkit. What makes this product truly stand out is its application process. It sprays on evenly as a liquid, then sets dry with a thick protective coating that won't run off. You get precision application with the smart straw that sprays 2 ways, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. This grease is built for extremes, performing flawlessly from 0 degrees F to 300 degrees F. Whether you're working in the bitter cold or under intense heat, WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease has got you covered, offering unbeatable protection and reliability. Need to store equipment? This product is excellent for lubricating before storage, ensuring that your machinery stays in top condition, ready to go when you need it. And let's not forget, it's 50-state VOC compliant, aligning with strict environmental standards across the board. Professionals trust WD-40 for a reason. The brand stands for high-quality products that perform under the most extreme conditions. When you choose WD-40 Specialist, you're choosing a product that gets the job done right every time. So there you have it. The WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease Spray with Smart Straw. It's not just a lubricant, it's a fortress of protection for your metal-to-metal applications and the ultimate guardian against wear and tear. And that concludes our top 5 countdown of the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, but only one can claim the crown. WD-40 Specialist, we salute you. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling fluids and maintenance products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.